I'm gonna try to do this loop here to Fairy Castle and Ticknock trails. Maybe somewhere here over 3 rocks. So maybe I'll do something like this. Go to Fairy Castle, Dublin Mountains way, then 3 rock, and then go down to the Fairy Castle loop until Ticknock and backwards. That's right. Okay, so far it's been 2 kilometers of roads and you can tell that you're going the right direction because you have that yellow van guiding your way. Now we're heading over there and hopefully we'll get into an actual dirt road, mountain road sometime. Okay, 3 kilometers after starting we reached this third parking, but now we have some altitude and you can see sort of the outskirts of the Dublin city in the background. This is the beginning of what it seems to be from now on a dirt road. Kilmashogue and Ticknock Forest. That's where I am right now. Crossfade transition. Now check out that view. Dublin and Howth, I believe is Howth. Now we encountered this intersection and we're gonna leave the main dirt road to start a trail. This will be the main road that takes you to another section of the forest we were just walking through. And here we have Chris, because he was all yellow. Call him Chris. He's telling me that the Wicklow Way is this way, this direction. There it is, me. I'm putting a name on a sign and saying hi to my shadow because I'm so lonely. Here we go. We are completely out of the forest. Now we have this huge empty space ahead. Breeze, a lot of wind because of such a huge open. There's another entrance here to the Tibradden Mountains, Tibradden Forest. I'm gonna go down to O'Connell's Rock. That's right, O'Connell's Rock, and then return. Welcome to Dublin Mountains. To the Dublin Mountain, my bad. So I feel some rain. The sky's kind of blue, but there's some light rain. And I just reached the other side of the first mountain that you cross after Marlay Park. And yeah, definitely rain. Here it is. So this was my farthest reach point for getting to the other side of the mountain. I'm just gonna get back into the fairy castle and then go back down all the way around, which is the Ticknock Park, Ticknock Forest. Super big names. There you go. So after here, you basically walk through roads. Okay, now we're going to cross back again to our Wicklow Way on the way back to Marlay Park. We should be heading towards that direction. And it has rained like 7 times, but because there's so much wind, it instantly goes away. Another way where you get to Three Rock, and yeah, basically I'm in the main intersection back to one of the corners of Marlay Park, and I'm about to get inside the park and walk through a cafe, get a cafe, well deserved, and that's it. Beautiful day, very well maintained trail, and very easy to follow, just super windy, so make sure you get some good cover.